Hey all, it's Ash. I am back from traveling the world. I know that I've been absent for a little bit, but all is well in Hawaii. I wanted to take this time to put out a couple of ideas to my YouTube viewers. One being that I just bought a website domain, and the point of this website is going to be a community healing collective where I invite people that are doing something similar to myself to help educate others and help others on their healing journey. I'm going to put up their links on this site to their blogs, their videos, things of that nature. So if you have anything that you can contribute, whether it be um, recipes for homemade cleaning supplies to a supplement regimen that worked for you in your own life, let me know. I do ask that the links that you send me are not any sort of marketing material. I want these to be free. I want it to be something from the heart and from people that are really caring about other people and helping them in their life kind of go forward and gain the knowledge that they need to go forward in healing. So that's the first one. And the second is I'm going to be doing a my favorite things list, and I'm going to be kind of reviewing some of my favorite products, and it can be anything from clothes to oils to herbs to uh, linens. I mean, it can be anything really. But there are things that I found really helpful. They can be things that are as simple as coconut oil to, makeup that I like because of the simple ingredients, for example. So if you have anything that you want reviewed and possibly put on this My Favorite Things list, and you want me to try it out, private message me, and I will send you my address. And I hope to have all of these items reviewed and put up in a video by the middle of December at the very latest. So those are the two things that I wanted to just throw out there to all of you. Um, and the last thing is that I am going to be heading to Albany in January for a couple of months, and I'm going to be doing a mind body integration mentorship program. So after that point, I will also be offering some classes at a center here in Honolulu. I'm going to be opening a center, so if any of you feel like venturing out this way, I will be doing classes probably starting next summer. So a lot of things on the agenda right now, and I hope everyone is doing well. And as always, let me know if you have any questions, and I will get back to you. Have a lovely day, all. Love and light.